Common word 2000 dictation number 12. We ready? Start. Four industries bracket start, namely cement, cotton, textiles, papers, sugar bracket close, specified in the Government of India notification dated 12 December 1966, issued under section 324 of the Companies Act 1956, will not have any managing agents after 31st December 1969, full stop. As against this, the loans granted or to be granted by IFC are of much longer duration, the repayments extending from 10 to 12 years, full stop. It will be seen that personal guarantees short from the directors of the managing agents would bind them for a long period, even when they may cease to be connected with the company, full stop. The other conditions mentioned above would not be acceptable to directors concerned, for they will have to repay immediately their loans, full stop, for the duration of the IFC. They would, as such loss, a big source of raising funds for their requirements, full stop. Further, they would lose their right to deal with their personal property even in a restricted manner according to their personal needs or requirements of the business, full stop. In this connection, the chamber would like to draw the committee's attention to the fact that managing agency inquiry committee, which examined the question of continuance of or otherwise of the managing agency system in four industries, also considered the practice of financial institutions existing on personal guarantees of the managing agents for the loans given by them to managed companies, in addition to the security of the company's fixed assets, full stop. In para 34 of part 1 of report, this committee expressed the hope that the term finance institution would find it increasingly possible to move away from the practice of recurring personal guarantees as distinct from judgment based on the soundness of the purposes for which they give financial assistance, full stop. In the policy statement on the said report made in Parliament on 5 September 1966 by Sri G. S. Kathulia, the then Law Minister, obviously appreciating the committee's viewpoint in this connection, had stated that the government purposes to devise a procedure to ensure the flow of finances to industry in view of the abolition of managing agency system, full stop. It would appear from the above that the basic view held is that personal guarantees of managing agents are not necessary in the context of financial assistance to be given to managed companies by financial institutions, full stop. It is submitted that the aforesaid two conditions will not only stop the free flow of finance to industry, but would also be against the assistance given by the government, full stop. As this matter is of great importance to the industry, it is requested that the committee should consider this matter carefully and suggest suitable procedure for setting right these shortcomings, full stop. Another aspect to which the chamber would like to draw the attention is the ratio of loans to share capital, full stop. The financial institutions generally follow the basis of 1.2, that is loan should not exceed double the value of the paid up working capital including reserves